GIFT Nifty wavers in early action but holds above the flatline. Our call of the day suggests Nifty is likely to chase winning streak. The two big positive catalysts. 1. The Buy India trade is gaining momentum on backdrop of the newly optimistic FIIs camp who were net buyers in yesterday's choppy trade. 2. Overnight, Wall Street clinched 5 days of straight gains at the longest winning streak since January. That said, India-Pakistan tensions continue to dampen sentiments at Dalal Strait. India's response to Pahalgam terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir, PM Modi has given complete operational freedom to armed forces. Long story short, we will spy with one big eye on the rising border tensions with Pakistan. Technically, Nifty is comfortably above its 200 DMA at 24,051 mark. Hence, Nifty's next goalpost is at 24,858 mark, high as on 5th December 2024. Bottom line, the Gyan mantra is to stay nimble. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2386 crores while 2 DII net bought shares to the tune of Rs 1369 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a rebound play. Fanome month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has inched higher towards 17.37 levels. At last check, USD INR 28th May was hovering at 85.40. Nifty PCR 29th May is at 1.42 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 29th May is at 0.91. Nifty outlook, cautious optimism shall prevail. Nifty, CMP to 4336. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 24,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,860 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,200 and 4500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 55391. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,900 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 56,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,000 and 56,000. Bias for the day is POSI. There is a bright chance that Nifty could trade with positive bias as the immediate market crisis over President Trump's tariffs may have eased to a large extent. Amidst this backdrop, and bucking the trend, Nifty IT index is likely to be the star outperformer as we suspect companies such as TCS, Tech Mahindra and Infosys are likely to be the standout outperformers going forward. All eyes will be on the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, comes on Wednesday. The week will end with the US March jobs report to be wired on Friday, 2nd May 2025. Amongst stock-specific action. 1. Trent, plus 3.49%, was in limelight after reporting its Q4 FY25 results. Net profit fell 54.8%, revenue rose 27.9%. The biggest positive takeaway was that in Q4 FY25, the operating EBIT margin shot higher towards 9.3% up from 8.3% in Q4 FY24. 2. TVS Motor, minus 3.24%, plunged despite announcing a 76% year-on-year YoY growth in standalone net profit at 852 crore rupees for the quarter ended March 2025. The company's revenue from operations increased 17% YoY at 9,550 crore rupees. Profit booking blamed for yesterday's fall in stock price. 3. Aurobindo Pharma, minus 3%, fell after the company reported fire incident at its coal crusher area in Kakinada-based Penicillin G manufacturing facility in Andhra Pradesh. 4. PNB Housing Finance gained 6% after Q4 FY25 profit soared 25% to 550 crore rupees, NII up 16%, asset quality improves. 5. So far, Ather Energy IPO sees 28% subscription in day 2, retail portion fully booked. The maker of electric two-wheelers, E2Ws, has fixed the price band at 304,321 and the IPO comprises a 2,626 rupees crore fresh issue. For the day, amongst corporate India's Q4 earnings to trickle in are Wednesday, 30th April, Adani Power, Ajanta Pharma, Bandhan Bank, Coromandel, Exide, Federal Bank, Indus Tower, IOC, Jindal Steel, Vedant.